I'll be showing you how I made this multi-purpose liquid soap. Just follow my steps. I will show you. We will have 3 bowls. We'll make provision for 3 bowls for our mixtures. The first mixture will be done in an empty bowl. We will not add water. And the 3 things we'll be mixing there is number 1, sulfonic acid. These 3 things we are adding up for this first mixture are boosters, foaming agents. It's going to help your soap to foam very well. So these items we are mentioning, the sulfonic acid and the ones we'll be mentioning later, all of them are foaming agents. These 3 items: sulfonic acid, Dexapon, foam booster. Keep turning it, turning vigorously. And then number 3 is foam booster. Add your foam booster and turn vigorously. We will be going over to the second mixture. So for the second mixture, you take a portion of the measured water and put in a bowl, as you can see on the screen. You divide it into 2, put one portion in one of the bowls and the second portion on the other. Share the water between the 2 bowls. Make sure this is the water you measured out for your final production, depending on how many liters of soap you want to produce. Like I said earlier, this first mixture contains your foaming agents, but the second mixture we are going to do right now is going to contain your thickener. So we'll be adding the first item, which is nitroso. As you're adding your nitroso, add it gently and turn very fast, vigorously. Look at the way I'm spreading it and I'm turning vigorously to avoid seed. If you are fast, you get a best and smooth mixture. So you can see the way I'm doing this, turning it very fast and adding it little by little, right? You can see foams coming up. Actually, it doesn't produce foams. It's just that the same stick I used in turning the foaming agent was the same stick I used here. That is why you're seeing the foam. The second thing I will be adding to this second mixture is sodium lauryl sulfate, known as SLS. You also spray it lightly and turn vigorously. Continue to turn the solution vigorously until they are mixed up. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. That is the secret of liquid soap. You have to turn it and turn it vigorously. Yes. We are going over to the third bowl, which is the last mixture. This particular mixture contains your cleaning agents. So in this one, you add your soda ash, you also add your caustic soda and STPP. The soda ash, the caustic soda, and STPP. These are your cleaning agents. We add it to the final bowl, which is the third bowl. You can see this one. You don't need to suffer yourself to stir too much anyway. Stir it. This one does not take too much time to dissolve together with the water. Alright, and as you can see, I decided to take another stick to avoid the mistake of getting another foams. That's why you're not seeing foams here. The stick I used in turning the foaming agent is the one I later used in the other second mixture. So you saw the way the foams were popping up. Look at it there. So, but while turning this one, I sought for another stick so that I will not have that issue of foams. So right now, we want to combine the three mixtures into one, and we'll go back to the first mixture. The first mixture, which is thickening agent. We will first of all pour our second mixture, which is our thickeners. The second mixture. Pour the second mixture bit by bit into the first mixture. Pour your second mixture bit by bit into your first mixture and keep turning vigorously. Remember that our second mixture contains SLS rice, that is sodium lauryl sulfate, nitroso and sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. Is what you will find in the second mixture. And we are turning it to the first mixture. We pour it bit by bit and we turn vigorously. Keep turning it, keep turning it. We have added the thickener and the foaming agent. We are adding it vigorously. We are about to turn in the last mixture. The last mixture contains the cleaning agent, soda ash, caustic soda, and STPP. As you can see, this soap is going to be very thick. but then you can start to add more water. I just needed to do something thick and quality. You can just drop a little and then you get maximum result. Right now I want to mix the color, but before adding the color to the mixture, I will mix the color first of all with water in a container. As you can see, I'm going to mix the color like this before I pour it in. So as you add the color, you turn vigorously. We are adding our color right now. We are adding our color right now. Keep turning. Okay, we will not forget to add our fragrance, our perfume. I used bubble gum for the perfume. Please get me the perfume. We still have some. We have to rinse the container with our water and pour. As you can see the soap. See the soap. We'll leave it to set. Yes, add the fragrance at the top, and then we'll leave the soap to set so that the ladder can set. Turn it, keep turning, and then leave it to set. If you meet a very thick soap like this, you can add water. Me, I just plan to do a thick soap anyway. But if you are doing for supply, for sale, you need to know who are your customers and know what they want and what they can pay for. What I'm doing is a very quality soap. By the time this soap will set, it will be very, very thick in the container. Not all those light stuff, kind of. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can get updates. See the soap, see the soap we just did. You can see it is very nice, very thick, can foam very well. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Please hit the notification button so that you will get updates for the next videos.